Hi, I want to show you what I got going on today. I'm making these, I call them cardboard clusters. I don't really know what to call them, but I make them out of cardboard. Instead of buying these, see how they sell these in the store that are just like the cardboard where it has the grooves. They're really cool to buy the different color ones in the store. But when you want plain ones, like this, you just use cardboard you have from your shipping boxes. So what I did is I made up 6 of them to show you. That's 2, and they're just blank on the back. I'm going to show you the last 2, and then I'm going to show you how to make them. You can use them to tuck in your journal, or even turn these into tags if you put a hole on here. Anyways, let's get going. I'll show you what I did. I have a piece of cardboard here that I'm just going to show you, and then pull the one in the video that I had already done. What you do is you're going to peel back that layer of cardboard off your thing, and then when you start peeling that back, let me try to get a corner going so I can show you. When you start peeling it back, see how it's starting to show this through there? That's what you want to get. You want to keep peeling it back till you get that. Where you can see all those lines and then indentations. I have one already done, so I don't take up a lot of video space to show you. Don't mind my cat's tail in the picture. Anyway, so there's one done. That's what I did. The other side is like that. That's what it originally looked like. So I just peeled off that first layer of paper, and I'm going to show you. Here's my first template. What I do is take a deck of the box right here, like this, and lay it down. Let me get the wider end of my marker so we can see what I'm doing here. Oh, I can't even open the thing. And I just draw around and make it a square. I'm going to do a couple of them. That way I can show you. Alright, so I got 3 on there. See how I did my squares? Now I'm going to cut them out. My cat's getting aggravated with me because I'm in his space, apparently. You see his tail going? He's chewing the box. Let me show you. He's getting mad at me because I'm in his space, apparently. But anyways, let me get back to this. I got one cut here. This time afternoon, the sun comes through on this window, and he loves to sun himself right here, so. All right, got that one cut. Let me get that color off there a little bit. All right, there's one. I have 3 already cut out on the side. I might do them too, but let's cut out these other 2 so I can get this big piece of cardboard out of the way over here. Move that out of the way now. All right, I'm trying to get all the marker off is what I'm doing. All right, good enough. Let's throw all this mess away. You want a few, Bob? There you go. You can play with those. All right, so I got 3 here, and his tail in the way, of course. I'll put the other 3 that I did previously on the side here in case I want to use them. First, what I did was I got a doily like this, and I just cut it in half. That's the doily, and cut it in half. And now I'm going to put some glue on the back of it. Put it just like that. There's one. My cat's playing with all the scraps that came off that. He's biting it all. He's having fun with all the paper cutouts. And there's another one. I'm going to do a couple just to help you, give you some ideas. If I can, I'm trying to peel the, there's actually 2 of these here. There we go. All right. We'll just do one. I'm going to do 4 total. All right, so I have 4 of this to this stage. As you can see, I'll just do another close-up. That's what they're at now. All right, and then let me get the flowers. His tail's going to get glued to them if he keeps doing that. Oh, there's my flowers. Got a whole tub of flowers. Let's get some flowers. His tail's just a whipping. I got to try to see if I can sit down here. It's hard to stand and do this. But I want to make sure I'm in frame when I'm doing it. And I can... All right, anyways, let me get some flowers out. Let's pick out 4 different ones. Bob, your tail's going to get glued. Your tail is going to get glued, bud. There you go. You can have that. All right, let's do a couple of these. This one. This one. He's having fun playing with all the leftover stuff that comes off the cardboard. You're so funny. You're a funny boy. Your tail's going to get glued, I'm telling you. Here, you play with that. Do you really have to be up here right now? Put that one there. There's your 2 there. No. Try to do different colors. I always like to do different. Okay, we'll do 2 on... Excuse you. Excuse you. No, I don't want that one there. Some bigger ones. Okay, we'll do 3 different colored ones, so that way... I want to actually put this on the top of that one. I think that'll go good on the top of there. Let's see what else. We'll put this one on the top of there with the pink. No, not with the pink, with this color on the top of there. I'm just setting them, and then I'm going to glue them here in a second. I'm just getting some ideas of what I want to lay on the top of them to kind of... That one's going to go there. And let's do this on there. All right, I'm going to glue all these right there, and then after I get done gluing them, I'll bring them closer up to the camera and show you. I'm going to glue each one, just put a little dab underneath each one. That one. No, that stays there. My finger's getting stuck to the glue. There we go, there. I think actually if it's off center a little bit, I actually think it looks good. Little dab will do you. Little dab will do you. Little dab will do you. There we go. That looks cool with the blue and the pink together. All right, so let me lift them up and show you what we got so far. That's what I have so far, those 2. Okay. And these 2. Now I'm going to take the center of the things and put... Kind of clean up my mess a little bit here. I have a tub of these. I'm just going to put one of the gems in the center of each one. All right, let's look and see. We'll put this one here. That's pretty. What color? I want a yellow or an orange. I kind of like to add a little orange in there once in a while. Orange on there. All right, what other colors? There's pink. Pink. Oh, that's a blue. Yeah, I'll go with blue again. Teal, actually. That's that. And let's get a pink one. They're really hard to grab out of this container. They really are. Really, really hard. Okay, I'm going to do that one. All right, so I'm at that stage now. So what I'm going to do next is show you what they look like up close. My cat's going to glue his tail to him. That's one. And the backs are just plain. Now I'm going to take my distressing ink. Let's take the pink. And I'm going to go all the way around the edges of this pink one. I have the, let me show you which one I'm using. I'm going to use this. And go around the edge of this one. Get it really good all the way around the edge. Alright, so that's one. I like it. Just gives you a little bit of ideas what to use to recycle your cardboard. I mean, it went from this big cardboard ugly looking thing to that. Let me know what you think. Alright, let me finish up the other ones. I'm gonna do pink on this one also. Then the other two I'll do different colors. Oh, the glue's coming off on my fingers there. That's the next one. Put a little bit more on the edge of that. There we go for that one. All right, let's switch the colors. I need a blue and some type of orange color here. I don't know if I have that color blue. I don't think I do, but I'll just use a regular blue. And I'm going to look and see for my orange one here. Okay. I have Rusty Hinge, it's called. I'm going to use that on this one. I don't know how well you'll see it, but I'm going to try. You can kind of see it. See it? Yep. Straighten up my flower. That's that one. All right, now let's do the other one in blue. And this is the blue I'm going to use. It's not the same as the flower, but I figured it's blue. Still makes it look good, you know. All right. So that's what I got so far. I did these two. And then these two. Let me know what you think. And give it a like if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.